Alright guys, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia install tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your Toyota Corolla fan speed resistor. This is another pretty simple job. It's very similar to doing the blower motor. The same sort of steps are involved. If you are wanting this part, you will find it linked in the description below. We offer free shipping all around Australia and our parts are all backed by a 3-year warranty. And yeah, hopefully this one helps you guys, and let's get stuck into it. Alrighty, first things first is open up your glove box. Just have it like that. You're gonna have 2 tabs just on the bottom here. Just pull this forward to get it released off those tabs, and that will just release your glove box. Just sit it down there, and then yeah, we'll get on to unplugging the resistor and putting the new one in. Alright guys, so your resistor is just here. I went ahead, there's 2 Phillips heads screws either side, and then I don't know if you can tell, but there's a Phillips head screw just there as well. Take that one out, and then the 2 either side of this plug. You can see where I've already taken them out, and then push this sort of button in and pull down on the plug, and that'll release the plug, and then you'll be able to pull out the resistor, grab your new one, repeat the steps, put that back in, grab the plug and plug it back in, and yeah, so we'll get this out and then show you how to put the new one in. There you go. So yeah, just those 3 Phillips heads, and that literally goes straight up into the bottom of the fan blower. So that's what that plug's for. So you'll grab your new one, line it back up, just push it straight up in, and then grab your bolts, bolt it back up, grab your plug, plug it back in, and yeah, and then you can put your glove box back on, and that's job done really. Rightio, as you can see, Phillips screw there, another one there, and that one just there, all back in, plugs back in. Like I said guys, this is a really simple job. Just goes straight into the bottom of the fan blower, and it's got 3 screws holding it and just that plug. Drop it straight out, grab your new one, and yeah, put it straight back in. And now we can reinstall our glove box. There you go. Remember, realign your 2 tabs down at the bottom here, just till they click in, and then push it straight up until it clicks past there. Make sure it closes, and then also just open it up and make sure that it doesn't just fall straight through. And yeah, that's it done, and another super quick and simple install. Alrighty guys, another successful install done. It was pretty easy, about 5 or 10 minutes. Hopefully it did help you guys out. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you do have any further questions, please leave them down in the comments section below. We're always happy to help out. And thanks for watching this one guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.